Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our new 2024 Forest River High Wall. This is the 21TBH A-frame travel trailer. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see what you think. Alright, starting up front, you've got a really nice pull-out tray for tons of storage. There is also above exterior storage here, which you can put 150 pounds worth of stuff. Two 20-pound propane tanks with a cover, along with a dual battery cover as well, right behind the propane. You've got manual stabilizer jacks, 4 total, 1 on each corner. This 21TBH is 20 feet 4 inches overall length and has a dry weight of about 2,600 pounds. More storage back here. Does come with a spare tire and a cover. Nice back window. Does have exterior speakers and a couple extra outlets. And as we walk in, to the left is your microwave, and then to the right you do have a cassette toilet right under here. And then front dinette, that'll go down into a bed for you. You've got this extra headroom up front with the front window. Then you've got fantastic fan up there with an extra light. 2 burner. Nice big sink in the kitchen area. And you've got a little 110 fridge here with some extra storage. Does come equipped with a furnace and air conditioner. The air conditioner is right down below that bunk there. Does have interior speakers as well. Tons of headroom. And you've got radio with USB ports along with your thermostat and some master light switches with a couple extra drawers down below. And you've got end table right in between the 2 beds. And more drawers there as well. Super easy to tow, nice and lightweight, just over 20 feet. We'll do one more walk around here. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2024 Forest River High Wall A-frame 21TBH travel trailer, call or text at 218-740-4963. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.